Hello, I am Mr. Kadganchi from Siddheshwar Prashala Solapur. Today we are going to see the standard 10th Maths 2 chapter number 1 similarity. In the previous videos we have seen the theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem and converse of basic proportionality theorem. We have seen the properties, that is property of angle bisector, and also we have seen the property of the three parallel lines and their transversal. By using this theorem and property, we are going to solve the practice set 1.2. Practice set 1.2, from that question number 1 we have taken here. Given below are the some triangles and the lengths of the line segment is given. Identify in which figure ray PM is a bisector of the angle QPR. The figure is that is three examples are here given. First example we are going to take for the solution. Now here in triangle QPR, here QM upon MR is equal to 3.5 upon 1.5. Here after one digit point is there, that is points is cancelled, it becomes 35 upon 15, that is 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35, which is equal to 7 upon 3. Now QP upon PR is equal to 7 upon 3. Therefore from this we will get that is QM upon MR is equal to QP upon PR. Therefore we can say that ray PM is a angle bisector of angle QPR by converse of angle bisector. Now second example, here in triangle, that is PQR, RM upon MQ, which is equal to 6 upon 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, which is equal to 2 upon 1. And now PR upon PQ is equal to 7 upon 10. Here that is RM upon MQ is not equal to PR upon PQ. Therefore ray PM is not a angle bisector of angle QPR. Now third example, in this third example, now in triangle QPR, RM upon MQ is equal to 4 upon 3.6, which is equal to 40 upon 36. 4 10s are 40, 4 9s are 36, which is equal to 10 upon 9. Now RP upon PQ is equal to 10 upon 9. From this we can write that RM upon MQ is equal to RP upon PQ. Therefore ray PM is a angle bisector of angle QPR by converse of angle bisector. Now, second example, in the triangle PQR, PM is 15, PQ is 25, PR is 20, and NR is 8. State whether the line NM is parallel to the side RQ. Give reason. This we can show it by the converse of basic proportionality theorem. For that, Pn plus Nr is equal to PR. Reason P dash N dash R. Therefore, Pn we don't know, plus Nr is an 8 is equal to PR is an 20. Therefore, Pn is equal to 20 minus 8. Therefore, Pn is equal to 12. Now, Pm plus Mq is equal to PQ. Here P dash M dash Q. Therefore, Pm is 15 plus Mq is that we are going to find it is equal to PQ is 25. Therefore, MQ is equal to 25 minus 15. Therefore, MQ is equal to 10. Therefore, now Pn upon Nr is equal to Pn we calculated, that is an 12, Nr is given, that is an 8. Now you can do the cancellation. 2 4s are 8, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, which is equal to 3 upon 2. This is equation number 1. Now, Pm upon Mq is equal to Pm is 15, Mq you have calculated, that is an 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. Therefore, Pm upon Mq is equal to 3 upon 2. This is equation number 2. Therefore, in equation 1 and 2, if you will see 3 upon 2, 3 upon 2, they are equal. So, Pn upon Nr is equal to Pm upon Mq, that is, we can say that Nm is parallel to RQ, that is reason by converse of basic proportionality theorem. Example, in the triangle MNP, NQ is the bisector of angle N. If MN is equal to 5, PN is equal to 7, MQ is 2.5, then find the QP. Therefore, now given in triangle MNP. NQ is bisector of angle N. Therefore, MQ upon PQ is equal to MN upon PL. Now MQ value is given, that is 2.5. PQ that we are going to find it, which is equal to MN, that is 5, and PN is 7. Therefore, taking cross product, 2.5 into 7 is equal to 5 into PQ. Therefore, PQ is equal to 2.5 into 7 upon 5. Therefore, PQ is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25, that is 0.5. 0.5 into 7, that is PQ is equal to 7 5s are 35, that is 3.5. Now, the fourth example is an homework. Now, fifth example. In the trapezium ABCD, side AB is parallel to side PQ, is parallel to side DC. AP is 15, PD is 12, QC is 14, and BQ that we are going to find it. Here the given side AB is parallel to side PQ is parallel to side DC. Therefore, by the property of the three parallel lines and their transversal, we will get that AP upon PD is equal to BQ upon QC. Now put the values. AP is 15, PD is 12, is equal to BQ that we are going to find it upon QC is 14. Therefore, by taking cross product, 12 into BQ is equal to 14 into 15. Therefore, BQ is equal to 14 into 15 upon 12. Now here 2 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, 3 2s are 6, 3 5s are 15, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, point 2 5s are 10. That is BQ is equal to 3.5 into 5. Therefore, BQ is equal to 17.5 units. Now example number 6. Find QP by using the given information in the figure. Now here in triangle MNP, ray NQ is an angle bisector. Therefore, by the angle bisector property, we can say that NM upon NP is equal to MQ upon QP. Now put the values. NM is an 25, NP that is an 40 is equal to MQ that is 14 upon QP that you are going to find it. So now taking cross product, 25 into QP is equal to 14 into 40. Therefore, QP is equal to 14 into 40 upon 25. 5 5s are 25. 5 8s are 40. Now 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 4 remain. Point. It becomes 40. 5 8s are 40. Therefore, QP is equal to 22.4 units.